What do you want? What, orange? This one?
Yeah, the big one.
The big, how many?
A lot.
A lot too. I have to slice this one, okay? You have to wait.
Slice that one.
Yeah, I have to slice it.
I have to slice it.
Yeah, I'm going to slice it. You have to wait. Mag-slice muna ako guys ng orange niya. No, lagi there. Not that one. Not that one. I'll put it in the plate. I'll put it in the plate. Yeah, I'll put it in the plate. Gotta wait. Not in this one. No, because it's not gonna fit. So, naugasan ko lang to siya, guys. Slice ko na lang. Oh, sit down lagi. Naku. Look, oh, the camera, oh. Okay, go sit down. Sit down in the chair, please.
Oh, got this one.
Naku, matigas ulo ko. Ulo mo dong. No, lagi, agoy, dong. Leave it there. Laki ng paa mo, oh, sa camera, oh. Okay. That's enough. Okay. Sit down over there. Agoy, makatagak yung ka dong. Nahampot na lang, Jude.
I sit down.
Yeah, sit down.
I want to sit down.
Sit down.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy?
Yummy. Yummy, yummy.
You want tissue?
Yes.
Yes, please. Wipe your face. Yeah, like that. Lakas tong kumain. Nagluto ako guys ng ito guys, saging. Kain ako ng saging tapos lagyan ko ng ginamos. Nagkuhanan ko siya ng sabaw kasi may sabaw. Kukuhanin ko na lang sa ano. Guys. Hindi na siya mainit kasi kanikayin ko lang siya niluto. Excuse me. Ano pa yan? Ewan ko lang kung masarap ba tong ano guys. Purple sweet potato. Kasi, ay! Parang bugtok tong purple guys.
Mommy!
Sweet potato.
Nanit apa?
Na. Yan. Mainit pa. Ito kainin namin ni Sawyer. Kung kakain ba siya. You want your iPad? It's on the chair, oh. Tapos, say please.
Please.
Okay, I'll get it. Talaga naman to si Sawyer, oh. Demanding masyado. Tapos, lalagyan ko siya ng yan. Kuha lang ako guys ng ano ng ginamos. Ito, ginamos para ilagay ko sa aking saging. Yan. May mahanghang ako dito. Tapos may maanghang na suka. Tapos may sili. Tapos may sili. Yan. Isain natin. Sarap. You done?
Yes.
No? Guys, naubos niya yung orange. Okay, put this. You wanna stay there? Leave it there for now, okay?
Mommy, what's that fruit?
Hmm?
It's so cute.
What?
That's cute.
Hurts? You wanna wipe your hands? Oh, here. Grabe. So, yun. Kakain ka ng orange. Yan, kain na ako, guys. Kain tayo, guys, ng ano. Ang ginamos, guys. Oh. Pinisa ko yung ano. Sarap. Pinisa ko yung sili para alhang pa ng konti. Ibang saging to, guys, oh. Hindi yung ano ba, saba. Naman ko, nung saging to, maliit na saging. Sarap. Lagyan natin ng una. Merong leftover na chicken, guys.
Mommy, that's working.
Ang hot.
Mommy, I want this one. Potato.
At meron din akong leftover na pata dito, guys.
Mommy, I want this one. Potato.
This one? Potato?
Yes, potato.
Ito, guys, purple.
Potato. Potato.
Okay, here you go. Put there. Dami pa, guys, oh. Saging. Kain tayo, guys.
Mom, what's this?
Potato too.
Potato soup.
Kamote.
And roti.
Manok. Okay. Stick in your tongue?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Honey.
Mami?
That is more.
Sarap ng ginamos.
Ow! Ow! Ow, ow, ow.
Laman. Isda. Isda. Lagyan ko ito. Yung saging, guys. Matamis siya. Pero mahilaw naman. Ang bilis ko nabusog, guys. Ubos ang chicken. Harap. Yan guys, luto na ang tinulang mackerel. Ayan. Wow, sarap nito guys. Ayan. Daming vegetables. Masarap pag maraming gulay guys. Diba? Yummy. Luto na. Meron na kaming ulam sa hapunan. Darating na yung mga anak ko guys. Maya-maya. Ang kanin hindi pa na luto. Hindi ko niluto sa ano guys, sa rice cooker kasi sa rice cooker matagal. Pag sa stove, mabilis lang siya. So dumating na guys ang package na in-order ng asawa ko para sa akin guys. Ito yung regalo niya sa akin. Sa wedding anniversary namin, na late lang siya. Ngayon lang siya dumating guys. So sabi niya, andito na yung package. Andito. Yan guys, Amazon. Buksan natin. Meron daw siyang in-order sa ano. Sa Amazon. Magugustuhan ko raw. Ito daw yung regalo niya sa akin. Sa wedding anniversary namin. Pero na late. Sabi niya, ano, sorry kasi hindi dumating ng maaga. Buksan na natin guys yung kanyang in-order para sa akin. Ito daw yung anniversary na wedding anniversary gift niya sa akin guys. So, ito pala siya guys. Ito yung regalo niya. Babyliss Pro na straightening iron.
Can you straighten my hair now?
There is two. So,
See, I told you it cut like on Thursday.
this is Daddy's gift for me.
For their anniversary.
Yeah, anniversary gift. This is Daddy. I don't know what is this, but this is Daddy.
I think it may be lights. Oh, it's for his lights for the.
Yeah. I don't know what is this. Bring this upstairs, Sam.
Huh?
Ito yung pinapa-order ko sa kanya.
Look at this!
Bitter
Oh, that's for
melon
Daddy. That's for Daddy. Don't touch.
na capsule.
That's when it's upstairs for Cloud. Oh, look at this.
No!
Wait, can you straighten my
Get
hair
down.
today or tomorrow?
Get down. I have a lot to do right now.
Pills.
He can't open it. I have this before, but it's already broken. 12 years ago. Yeah. It's really good. Expensive, but it's really good.
What's it called? Hey.
Babyliss Pro straightening. This is really good.
Because I have natural pills.
Huh?
You ever heard of Aladuo?
Duo?
Aladuo?
No. Because I have this before, but it was broken already.
It's like
This is really good.
It's like a straightener.
Yeah, straighten hair, straightener.
This one's
Really good brand.
the one that I have, the Aladuo. It straightens your hair, but then it also has a fan on it if you want to curl your hair.
Oh, okay. But this one, there's no fan on that one. But
So yeah, this is
it's
just a plain old
really
straightener.
good. I have a flat one, so here too. It's expensive, but it's worth it. I have this before, but it was broken. And this one, it's flat, so it's good because I have a thick hair. You have a thick hair? You too.
My hair's getting thicker. But I was.
No, no, so, no, no. No, sir. This boy wants to be included everything.
This is what he used to look like.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi, guys.
It's Gabby. Yes, it's me. Hey, Mommy. We're gonna go outside down to the grass to go play. Oh, look at this. Yes, look at it.
Sam, bring this upstairs, please.
Kimber, make sure you get your backpack to drop it off at your house.
I'll just put this one. That's Daddy. That's Daddy. That's Daddy. Kumakain na sila ng isda. Sinabawang isda. Ayan si Shelton. Oh. At saka si Sawyer. Kakain rin kami ni Sam, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, kumakain na rin si Sam. At kakain na rin ako, guys. Ayan. Nauna na si Shelton sa amin kumain. Ito, guys, hindi talaga sabay-sabay kumain. Minsan sabay-sabay, minsan hindi. Ayan. Sam. Good, Sam. Ubos. Kay Shelton, oh. Kain din. You eat, Sawyer. Eat. Kakain na muna kami, guys. Kumain si Sam ng ginamos, guys. Ako, guys, hindi pa ako nakapaglinis ng kusina, oh. Na-stuck ako dito kay Sawyer. Dahil gusto niyang hawakan yung buhok ko na naman. While umiinom siya ng milk, guys. Hindi pa ako guys. Natapos ko na kahapon yung pantry. Nalinis ko na, naayos ko na. Hindi pa ako general cleaning talaga, guys. Dahil si kay Sawyer. May sipon pa naman siya. At may kunting ubo din. So, bukas, continue na naman ako maglinis ng bahay. Dito sa baba at saka sa taas, guys. Tapusin ko na talaga, guys, maglinis. Magpupunas, mga ganyan. Kasi, nung galing ako sa sakit, talagang nawala lahat ng energy ko, guys. Hindi pa kompleto yung energy ko ba. Tamad pa talaga ako. Buti na lang, guys, nakapaglinis ako ng refrigerator at saka pantry, guys. Kasi, magulo na talaga siya. Masakit na sa mata. Tapos, bukas talagang tapusin ko na talaga maglinis dito sa baba at saka sa taas. Nahirapan talaga ako, guys, maglinis dahil si Sawyer, panay mami, I want you, talagang, tapos upo na naman, tapos tinatamad na naman ako, continue na naman, putol na naman yung ginagawa ko, ganun, guys. Kaya makalat pa yung kusina. Maya ko na yung linisin, guys. Pag ito ay nakatulog na. Kasi wala pa to siyang nap. Anong oras na? Magsi-7 na. Wala pang nap. Yeah, so. Say hi, guys.